Ever wondered what could happen if you committed to doing 30 push-ups every day for just 1 month? This is more than just a fitness challenge. It's an exploration of the power of consistency and discipline through one simple yet effective exercise, the push-up. Over the course of a month, these daily push-ups can bring about substantial transformations in your body and overall health. So, are you ready to push your limits and witness the impressive effects of this challenge? Stay tuned to discover the step-by-step process and the astonishing effects of this challenge on your body. But first, what exactly is a push-up and why is it so beneficial? A push-up, in essence, is a simple yet effective bodyweight exercise that puts your muscles to work. To perform a push-up, you'll start in a high plank position, arms fully extended and hands aligned with your shoulders. You'll then lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground and push back up, keeping your body in a straight line throughout the movement. This exercise targets a multitude of muscles, including your chest muscles, shoulders, triceps, and your entire core, making it a full-body workout in one move. Consistency is key here. By adhering to a regular push-up routine, you can increase your muscle strength and endurance, enhance your core stability, and even improve your cardiovascular health. Push-ups are more than just a chest exercise, they're a ticket to a stronger, healthier you. Now that we understand the basics, let's delve into what doing 30 push-ups a day for a month can do to your body. The 30-day push-up challenge is more than just a test of strength, it's a journey of transformation. Picture this. It's day 1. And you're starting your first set of 30. You might feel a bit shaky, but that's okay. This is where it all begins. As the days pass, you'll start to notice some changes. Your arms may feel stronger, your chest more robust, and your core, well, might just feel like a rock. That's the magic of consistent push-ups. By the end of the first week, you'll see some muscle development and toning. Your body is adapting to this new regime, and your muscles are starting to grow to accommodate the daily strain. You might also notice an increased endurance. Those 30 push-ups that seemed so daunting on day 1, they're starting to feel like a breeze. Week 2 and 3, that's where the real transformation begins. Your posture will start to improve. Those push-ups are doing more than just building muscle. They're strengthening your back and core, which helps keep your body upright. And let's not forget the potential weight loss. With every push-up, you're burning calories, and if combined with a balanced diet, you could start shedding those extra pounds. Now, let's talk about week 4. This is where you'll see the culmination of your hard work. The muscle tone, the endurance, the improved posture, it's all there. But remember, it's essential to maintain proper form throughout this challenge to avoid injury. By the end of the month, you'll likely notice significant improvements not just in your physique but also in your strength, stamina, and overall fitness. So, what's the verdict on the 30-day push-up challenge? Well, friends, we've journeyed from the simple power of push-ups, through the basics of proper technique, all the way to the impact of this month-long challenge on your body. The unanimous verdict? It's a game-changer indeed. Sticking to 30 push-ups a day for a full month can bring about significant improvements in your overall strength and endurance. Not just that, it can also enhance your cardiovascular health and boost your metabolism. Plus, let's not forget the impressive toning effects on your upper body and core. But don't just take our word for it. Why not give the challenge a try yourself? Feel the burn, witness the transformation, and most importantly, bask in the sense of accomplishment. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. So why not start your journey today with the 30-day push-up challenge? It's time to push your limits and transform your body.